going to be one of the aha moments which you want to celebrate and want to share with all of us.
Children, and that part was wonderful, but there's no place like home.
I'm really very honored to receive this. So I feel very blessed today. So I'm very happy that Faryad has actually taken that position. And congratulations once again, Faryad.
Okay, we will do an activity. In an activity, I'll ask you to eat and you only use a word.
Eid Mubarak to everyone again, by the way.
We have a quote over here in our organization, so that's why this is the most important thing that I feel. And Alhamdulillah, I am glad to join this school. We are really enjoying together, and it was a wonderful experience working with Pingus.
I've seen a progression. I have learned a lot from this organization,
And I really have had a very positive experience with this organization. Alhamdulillah, you all can see that the way we are standing for the job. I can see a great difference in myself as well.
a very healthy environment I am getting from this network. And
Very excited to join this event especially.
And thank you once again, the